Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen back in the chicken box, and today we're going to do a Greek-inspired recipe. When my family and I come out to eat downtown in Savannah, the Olympia Cafe is one of our favorite places to go. Nick and Vasilis are two brothers that operate Olympia Cafe down on River Street, and one of them is always there, and their food is always delicious. Top-notch service, the flavors, their salads are phenomenal. And I'm going to make a salad that I hope is as good as theirs today. This is a Greek chicken and rice salad, and it's very, very simple. We're going to start off by making our own dressing. So I'm going to have some olive oil that's going in first. All of these ingredients we're going to dump and stir, okay? My lemon juice. I have some lemon zest. Let me grab my knife real quick. I'm barely going to touch this oregano. Just a couple of rough chops. I love the texture and the size of it. We'll go with our fresh oregano. I have pepper. We have our garlic. I've got a teaspoon of honey. So we're using Mom's honey or orange blossom, I believe. Yep. Let me get our Dijon mustard. And let me see. Let me get me a little spoon. All right, let's whip this up. This is a really simple dressing. And you can, rather than honey, I do also do some dressings that have like syrup. A maple syrup based dressing is very good too. The flavors that you're going to get here is going to be our mustard and our lemon. And that oregano looks fantastic. So that's it. See, we've got our dressing down here. Make sure you get a good sized bowl to start work. You always want to have too much bowl because we're going to add to this. We're going in with 2 bags of our brown rice. We have some baked chicken from the restaurant downtown. So it's 2 cups of rotisserie chicken. We've got our split red grape tomatoes, an English cucumber, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese. I'm going to fold this. Don't want to overwork it. But I want to see that all of this gets kissed by this dressing that we've done. You know what? I would put this in a wrap in about 1 second. This looks like a delicious wrap. It took 2 seconds, and look at all the vibrant colors and flavors that we have in here. Ooh, great time of day. All there is to do now is serve it up. I'm making this for Katerina next door, who said that looks delicious and I would like to eat all of it. So she gets the first plate today. Beautiful. And then just a little bit of fresh parsley. Beautiful, huh? I'm gonna taste with a teaspoon today. How about that? I'm not kidding you. The brightness of the lemon does it for me. With the rice, the feta cheese, this is really a super delicious lunch. It's easy, it's affordable, and it's the perfect time of year for it. Just like the chicken box. Y'all enjoy your Greek chicken and rice salad. I know that Katerina and I are. Thanks, y'all. We'll see you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.